Hello students, welcome for today's session. In today's session, we are going to start with term work 11 for your syllabus. The problem definition says we need to write a JavaScript so that we can find the sum and average of n natural numbers. So we are going to start with the program. The first thing is we are going to start with the root element HTML, then the head tag followed by the title tag. The title says sum and average of n natural numbers. This n is nothing but the n is going to be taken as input from the user. So depending on the user's input, we are going to calculate the sum and average of those natural numbers. Alright. Then we have closed the head tag, started with the body tag. We have given the heading as sum and average of n natural numbers. We have used the h3, that is heading 3 tag. We have used the next part is for taking user input, that is for how many numbers he wants. So we have used the paragraph tag, and then it says enter a number. Input type is going to be number, id is given as num1, value is blank, and compulsory, it is required, you cannot leave it blank. Close the paragraph tag. Then we have created a clickable button with the help of input type is equal to button, value is nothing but check, and on click it is going to be my function. So when I click on that button, I am going to be directed to my function. Two paragraph IDs I have created. Paragraph ID is equal to demo1, close the paragraph tag, and paragraph ID is equal to demo2, close the paragraph tag. Now coming to the function which should be executed after the button is clicked. Function followed by the name of the function, that is my function. First we are just going to create a variable and assign it the value 1. That variable we are going to take it as the user input. So document.getElementById num1.value. So num1 id we have given it over here. So its value we need to fetch, and that value is going to be stored into num1. We have created some other variables. We will require one variable to store the sum, one variable to we will require to store the average of the natural numbers, and we will require a loop counter. So we have given it as I. So how we are going to find the sum of the n natural numbers? We are going to add all those numbers. So we are going to use the for loop. So for I is equal to 1 till the last number, till the number which is specified by the user, you need to just go on adding it. So we have written here sum is equal to sum plus I, counter, and then the sum, that is initially initialized to 0. Average we are going to calculate by sum divided by the user, whatever number he has entered is going to give us the average for the n natural numbers. And then we are going to just write the output what we get as sum and average with the help of document.getElementById method. Then we have closed the script tag, body, and HTML. This is how the output is going to look like. Title is, the heading is given as sum and average of n natural numbers. Then we have asked the user to enter a number, and when we click on that button which says check, we are going to get the value for sum and average. So this is the output that is expected. We will execute this program. Start with the HTML, that is my root element, followed by the head tag. Title I am going to give it as sum and average natural numbers. Close the title tag, close the head tag. Body, start with the body. Heading I am going to give it again as sum and average of natural numbers. Right, close the heading tag. The paragraph element, they say enter a number. This is required so that we take input from the user. We need to take input, right, for how many numbers he wants. So I am going to say enter a number. I say input type is equal to number, id is equal to num1, value going to be blank, but it is required. You cannot leave it blank. Close the paragraph. After that, I am going to create one clickable button. It says input type is equal to button, right? Then I say value is equal to check. On click, what should happen? I should be redirected to my function, what I am going to write now. Paragraph id equal to demo1, close the paragraph element. Paragraph id equal to demo2, close the paragraph. Right. I'm going to start with the script tag, function, my function. Right. Number which I am going to store. So where num is equal to 1. Initially the sum of any one natural number, even if it is 1, then it is going to be 1. So initially I am going to specify it as 1. And I say num1 is equal to document dot get element by id, get it as 1 dot value. We require its value. Right. Then variable average is initialized to 0, because initially it should be initialized to 0, and one variable for the counter. I'm going to make use of the for loop. I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to num1, that is the number which is entered by the user. I plus plus, I say need to do sum is equal to sum plus I. Initially sum is going to be 0, so next one will be sum plus I, that is 1. Alright, and then coming to average, average is calculated by sum divided by num1, the number entered by the user. Document dot get element by d, is the id given demo1 dot inner html is equal to, I am going to display the value for sum. Sum is equal to the variable over. A similar thing I need to do it for average. Demo2 L average avg, that is the variable which we have, followed by closing of the script, body, then the HTML. I say dot with Google Chrome. Okay, so here 5. So see, sum is 5, average is, alright. So this is how we can find the sum and average of n natural. Say it as 10. I click check. Sum is going to be 55, average is going to be 5 point. What if I don't give anything and I say check, giving me right. So in this way we have to find the sum and average of n natural. See you in the next session. Thank you, students.